I didn't see or even hear this coming. Last November, Ford announced the Mach E, an all-electric crossover vehicle presumptuously and, in my opinion, inappropriately called Mustang. My contentiousness with Ford corporate was summed up, at the time, like this. They are corrupting the blessed Mustang name by using it for the most non-Mustang car, nay, crossover, ever created. My world is shaken, my faith has been turned from a rock into vapor. Not only have you tarnished the shiny Mustang memories of my past, but you have turned my vision of the future into a twisting highway of confusion. The thought of an all-electric Mustang was stuck in my head like a manual transmission with a broken shift fork. The most un-Mustang-like car, nay, crossover, smudged my frontal cortex for weeks until I ran into the most Mustang-ish Mustang at my local dealership several weeks later. A 2018 Ford Performance FP500CJ, aka Mustang Cobra Jet. I didn't know much about the Cobra Jet's heritage at the time, but standing next to one and being able to see its inner and outer workings left me filled with awe. Fast forward several months to today, and this headline, Ford Performance introduces all-electric Mustang Cobra Jet 1400, Ford's first factory fully electric dragster prototype. Hot off the press from Dearborn, Michigan, the release wastes no time in getting to the point. It won't hurt your ears, and it doesn't use a drop of fuel, but it's projected to crush the quarter mile in the low 8-second range at more than 170 miles an hour. Horsepower, 1400, as you may have guessed from the name. Torque, over 1100 instantaneous foot-pounds. Mark Rushbrook, Ford Performance Motorsports Global Director, is quoted as saying, "This has been a fantastic project to work on, and we hope the first of many coming from our team at Ford Performance Motorsports." Mark, we share that hope. The accompanying 15 seconds of video is a sexy tease of sights and sound. We get a glimpse of the glowing pony that we've seen before on the Mach E, and Ford's marketing gurus cleverly played up the E in Jet to reinforce their commitment to electric vehicle development. The video ends with a delicious promise, coming soon. As an internal combustion powered S550 owner and an all-around Mustang aficionado, I have to say, now this is an electric Mustang that puts my brain in a very, very happy place and truly gets me excited about the future of performance vehicles and how they can compete in this electric, eclectic marketplace. What do you think about this new electric prototype? And if this build proves solid, how much longer will it be before electric vehicles rule over internal combustion engines in the high-power car market? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. My name is Mike, the channel is Mike Fyxdt. Thanks for tuning in, and please click the like button or the dislike button if you like. If you're not afraid of long-term commitment, then I would be honored if you went ahead and subscribed. Be good, be well, and be safe.
I fixed it.